Hello children. In this lecture we will start unit 8th, that is thermodynamics. It is a branch of physics which deals with conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy and vice versa. Now we have the topic that is known as thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium. In thermal equilibrium, if the two isolated systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then two systems will be in thermal equilibrium. Let we have two systems A and B. They are separating by insulating material. So they are isolated system. This is third system C. A is in thermal equilibrium with the system C. So we can say temperature of A is equal to temperature of C. System B and system C are in thermal equilibrium. So temperature of B is equal to temperature of C. So from equation first and second we can say that temperature of A is equal to temperature of B. So we can say if the temperature of A and B are in equal, then system A and B will be in the thermal equilibrium. Now how we can define the system here? A cylinder containing gas molecule is known as system, and we can define as surrounding except the system or other than the system is known as surrounding. Now we have type of system. First is called open system. The system in which heat energy and matter both exchange with the system and surrounding. Let us consider a container containing water and we heat the container. So the gas is entering into the container from the surrounding. So heat is exchanged from surrounding to the system. When the water gets heated, then its vapors formed. So this vapor goes to the surrounding. So the matter transfer from the system to the surrounding. If the heat energy transfer from surrounding to the system and the matter transfer from system to the surrounding, then it is known as open system. Second is known as closed system. The system in which only heat energy exchange but matter do not exchange. Here we can see that water is containing in a container and it is covered with a lid and it is heated by gas. So the heat energy is transferred from surrounding to the system. But when this water get heated, then its vapors formed, then these vapors get collected on the lid. They do not exchange from system to the surrounding. So this is known as closed system. Third is known as isolated system. The system in which neither heat energy nor matter exchange between system and surrounding is known as isolated system. Let us consider an totally insulating container like thermos bottle which contain matter, and when it is heated, then heat energy do not exchange from surrounding to the system, and this matter also do not exchange from system to the surrounding. So it is known as isolated system.